Hello everyone out there, this is Christopher from Nill Building Solutions, and today's installation video is going to be solar panels. We are going to install solar panels on a flat roof with our patented NB1A2 solar anchor. So here's our solar anchor. This is our patented NB1A2. It is a 5x5 stainless steel flange with rounded edges. It's 1/8 of an inch thick. It has 6 fastening holes for you to fasten this anchor into the roof. And then it has a 3/8 by 3/4 inch tall threaded bolt so that the L bracket can go on top, and then you can nut down the L bracket and hold it in place for the solar track system. Here's how we're going to do it. So we're on top of the roof now. The roof has already been membraned. In this case, we're going on top of a rubber roof, but our bracket works with rubber, it works with liquid membrane, TPO, whatever you're using, this bracket will work. PVC is fine too, doesn't matter. This bracket and this installation is going to be your top choice for solar on any kind of roof. So here you go. So this is a typical L bracket that attaches a solar track. This slot is where the solar track will be installed and attached to the L bracket, which will then hold the panels that sit inside that track. So here's how you're going to do it. The first thing you want to do is you want to attach the L bracket into our NB1A2 before you even install it on the roof. Put the washer on, put the nut on, give it a nice little twist to tighten it up. Now you have the L bracket fastened to our bracket. Here we go. You lay it out on the roof. Now we're going to find out where we need to put it. The great thing is, now that the L bracket is attached, you can move this NB1A2 wherever you need it to go on the roof before you fasten it down. So you can make sure that you're completely lined up with where this solar track is going to go. You can even attach another bracket with the L and then attach the solar track to all of them before you fasten it down to make sure that that's exactly where you want the solar panel system to go. Once that's done, you can now fasten this NB1A2 through the membrane with the L bracket and the solar track already attached into the roof. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the NB1A2 has been fastened 6 times into the roof, giving you superior strength. This is the strongest solution bracket and the best for waterproofing for all solar panel systems. Nill Building Solutions is here bringing you the best products every day. So now that the solar NB1A2 bracket has been fastened into the roof with the L bracket on it, so you know it's exactly in place for the solar panel system, you can now remove the L bracket. And it doesn't matter. Don't worry about removing the L bracket because this NB1A2 has been fastened down. It's not going to move. Now we're going to put our second layer of membrane on to complete the waterproofing process, and then the solar panel system is going right back where it was. So here we are now. We put our second layer of membrane on top of the NB1A2. This is the rubber, this is liquid membrane. Like I said, you can use any kind of membrane you want. Now that the second layer is on top and it's 100% sealed in, as you can see here, we're now going to finish it off by reinstalling the L bracket for the solar panel system. A washer goes over the bolt. The L bracket goes back on. The washer goes on. The nut goes back on. And now you tighten it all up. And all of your brackets are exactly where they were when you lined them up before we did the second layer of waterproofing. There it is. Now you're locked into place, 100% sealed, waterproof, stronger than ever. Nill Building Solutions is here every day working on more products and more solutions to make your life easier and better. We give you peace of